Kaiba! My grandpa's deck has no pathetic cards, but it does contain the unstoppable Exodia! Exodia's not in here? Oh. Well, I still want to open it. What's kicking y'all? Kwikpanik here, and I'm backing, dear. Don't you have no fear. And today, I'm wearing a Blue Eyes White Dragon shirt. I hope you can see that. Oh, yeah. So that means we're opening YuGiOh stuff. It's been a long time since I've opened anything YuGiOh on the channel. I have this 20th anniversary set that they released in Japan months ago that I've been wanting to open, but I didn't really have anything else YuGiOh to open with it, and it felt like a shame to just have one video for that. So I picked up one of these gold sarcophagus tins. They look amazing. 50% picked this up because I really like the design of the tin, and 50% because you get a god card in here, and I'm hoping it's Slifer. It's the art that they released for Shonen Jump promos for Ra, Obelisk, and Slifer. And back in the day, they released... I'm just going to tear into this. Back in the day, they released a Slifer Ultra Rare that you got for being a Shonen Jump subscriber. And I don't know what happened to that card. I owned one, and it went MIA. So it'd be nice to have that art in my collection again. I am still an avid collector of Yu-Gi-Oh! If you guys are here for Funko Pops and Pokemon, you're probably like, why are we looking at Yu-Gi-Oh! Stuff? I played Yu-Gi-Oh! For a very long time on the competitive circuit. I traveled to other states playing in Yu-Gi-Oh! Tournaments, and I played Duel Links for a very long time on stream. And I've just been itching to play some Yu-Gi-Oh! So I wanted to pick up the new box, the new tin, and see what it's in here. If I like what I see in here, I might pick up some other tins. I haven't really spoiled anything out of it, but I know there are a couple of products that I'm interested in. Namely, one of the products where you get alternate arts of the hand traps that have been super popular. Yeah, so I'm going to keep this tin for sure because it's like an amazing decoration. And we're actually going to tear into this. Now, these are mega packs. Once per year, Konami releases some sort of tin with some sort of promos with some amazing reprints at the end of the competitive season. The end of the competitive season is now. Worlds happened a month ago or so, and no, a couple weeks actually. So now we get the mega tin with all the super expensive cards that you need to play. So we have Magician of Black Chaos Max. I haven't seen any of these cards. I've been so out of it. But this is the Prismatic Secret Rare from, I don't know if you guys played Yu-Gi-Oh! Ever, but back in the day, there was a video game called Dark Duel Stories for Game Boy Color, and it came with some Prismatic Secret Rare cards, and then there are a couple of other video games that came with the Prismatic Secret Rares. But that's such a cool rarity. I wish they did that more in the US. I know they do in Japan. So, Magician of Black Chaos Max. We got Neo Kaiser Glider. Kaiser Glider was a really cool card back in the day that me and my buddy Logan used when we would play at locals, because it couldn't be destroyed by battle with monsters that had an attack value that was equal to it, and it was 2,400, and everybody liked to use Jinzo, so you would just crash into Jinzo, and Kaiser Glider would not die, and it was really cool. So Neo Kaiser Glider, we got Raigeki in a Prismatic, that's pretty cool, and Obelisk! Okay, I was hoping for Slifer, but... And then we got Nibiru, which I hear is a very cool hand trap. When your opponent special summons, I think, or summons 5 or more times in a turn, you can like tribute all of them and special summon this guy, and they get a token. So that's pretty cool. Yu-Gi-Oh's current state, and as far as I know, in the past couple of months, has been like special summon 9 billion times, and then your opponent loses. So I haven't played competitively since I went to Nationals for Zodiac format, so Zodiac and True Draco. So it's been a while, but I've been interested in playing some Yu-Gi-Oh! I miss it. I'll go in like these massive bursts where I'm like, dude, I want to play Yu-Gi-Oh! And I'll go travel for YCSs, play in regionals, and then I'll get burnt out on a format. And ooh, Ventreds. I love zombies, just for the record. So yeah, I feel like I'm ready to get back into it. We got Great Fly, Thunder Dragon Roar. I hear Thunder Dragons were pretty popular, but they never won anything. Or maybe they did eventually. You guys tell me. Nightmare Corruptor Ibli. Wait, Ibli's good, yeah? I think I have a secret rare one that I had to borrow. And then Mirror Force Launcher. Ooh, for hire. We know those from Duel Links. Okay, so what's the pack trick for these? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? Okay, let's see if we can do a pack trick. I know Yu-Gi-Oh! Players and Yu-Gi-Oh! Content creators don't usually do a pack trick, but we do lots of Pokemon on this channel. So, I'm going to see if I can... 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? Is that what it was? It looks like 6. Let's see if we can do the pack trick correctly. We got... a word I can't say. I need to read these cards, man. I used to be a freaking dictionary of Yu-Gi-Oh cards, and people would come to me like, hey, what set did this card come out in? And I could tell them. I could tell them what year it was, what the format was. Oh, I miss Yu-Gi-Oh so much. So we're going to be playing a little bit on stream. Maybe on the channel, Rev and Dread. Yeah. Danger Response Team. Ooh, Danger Bigfoot. That's a good card. And another Mirror Force Launcher. What? Nani? Don't you have new cards to give me? And then we got one more Mega Pack. I don't even know what I'm aiming to get out of this because I haven't been playing too much. But I assume there's some really cool reprints. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Build up. That's right. You got to earn the hollows on Kwikpanik's channel. Oh, man. This is making me want to play so badly. Like, not knowing what these cards do hurts me so badly. I know what some of them do. Duel Links is doing a really good job. See, I know what this does, of integrating new cards in with also the old cards. We got World Legacy, World Crown, Crusadia Magius. Hey, it's Uchiniko, I know is a good card. And then Hip Ocean again. That concludes our nice little Mega Tin opening. Let's get into this 20th anniversary set. I'm kind of excited. Once upon a time, I knew what came in here. There are some old reprint packs from Japan. So this is a Japanese opening. If you're here for English stuff, I'm sorry. None of that here. But I get some really cool sleeves, a really cool deck box, and a really heckin' cool mat. So I haven't used a deck box like this since I started playing Yu-Gi-Oh! Back in like 2003. But the design is amazing. If they could make this design into something that's more like monster deck boxes, like the double deck boxes, I'd be so in for that. So we got that deck box. Oh, this is how many sleeves is this? We got a... Oh my gosh. And you can see all the cards in the background. Like you have Dark Magician Girl, Gold Sark, Solemn Judgment. Those are pretty sleeves, man. Oh, I'm putting this on my extra deck for sure. I hope that's legal. We'll get into the promos in a second. This is a mat. And if I go back to locals, let's not even say if. Let's say when I go back to locals. When I go back to locals, I think I want to play on this mat because I think it's the same design. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, baby. Let's see if we can get this in the camera. Oh, we can. We can. I believe in me. I need you guys to believe in the me that believes in also me. So we'll just put this on top of this one. And that's the mat we'll be using for this opening. So let's zoom out a little bit. A little bit more. So there is the mat. I'll just move it a little bit so you can see everything. That is amazing. I love Yugi's pose. The Dark Magician pose that they use for this. Oh, so much nostalgia. Okay, so let's get into the packs. It looks like there's a promo. I actually didn't know that there was a promo that came with it, but it looks pretty cool. Is it a promo pack? Oh, there's a couple cards. So first off, the art on these, first, oh my gosh. So we got 3 packs. This is like volume 1 something. Oh yeah, it says volume 1. This is like the equivalent of LOB, I think, and it has some extra cards we didn't see. Hashtag bars. Let's open this. Sorry if there's sealed collectors watching. You probably won't like this a whole lot, but I want to see what our promos are. I didn't even know. So shout out to Jules. If you guys are on my Twitch channel, you know Jules, my moderator and friend. He was the one that picked this up. Oh, it's only 1 card. I thought it was a couple cards. But this, look at that holo. And they get this kind of holographic on their promos all the time in Japan. United States, what are you doing? Konami. Oh, look! I didn't even see that. And it has the 20th anniversary thing on here. Yo, I'm getting this graded. I'm getting this graded. 100%. Yeah. That makes me so excited to grade a Yu-Gi-Oh card. I haven't graded anything. This is like a little segue. This is such a cool looking card. I haven't graded anything Yu-Gi-Oh since I got this graded. And this was like the happiest I've been in a long time opening this grading package where I got the PSA 10 on the Lost Art promotion Exodia. I want to get some sealed other pieces of Exodia, like the arms and legs, and see if I can get those in a PSA 10. That would be really cool. So yeah, I just want to look at that for a little bit. Goodness. That is such cool holo. Man, I'm moving to OCG land. Now, this is really cool. So I always watched people open Japanese packs when a new set would come out so I could know what was coming in. And they always had scissors, and I don't have that. So we're opening a Japanese pack the American way, and I think we're oh, hold on. Can we just do this? Oh, yeah. I'd really like to save the pack art on one of these, but I want to know what's in them. It's really cool to see stuff like this. Sealed packs make me so happy because it gives me all that nostalgia, but only because I want to open them. So I appreciate them while they're sealed. Okay, Kwikpanik. I might need adult. Okay, this is going awful. Awful, awful. Let's not touch the cards with this knife. Beautiful. Oh, yeah. Okay. We destroyed that pack. Kwikpanik talking about how he wants to save these. Okay, we're going back in time. So this reminds me of Dark Duel Stories. I don't know if you guys ever played that. I talked about it a little bit when I was talking about the prismatic rares, but that's this is the kind of card you had when you started playing the game. I don't even know this guy's name. I know this is Sparks. We got some sort of Thundercloud boy. We got this Griffin guy. Oh, what? We got an ultra rare. Hold on. Gaia the Dragon Champion. Oh, Gaia the Fierce Knight. Sorry. Dragon Champion's the fusion. Heck if I'm not going to get these graded. That is so cool. I love the old style of the card where it has like the attack and defense and this little block, and then it has like the flavor text right here. It's so much of this card is art too. Like it's not just like a half, you know? That's one thing with Yu-Gi-Oh! I wish I could have like a full card's worth of art. Okay, so we got an ultra rare. I wonder what the pull rate is on these. Because back in the day, opening LOB packs, it felt like you got a holo out of every like 12 booster packs, and sometimes worse. Okay, I'm actually going to cut this way. We're not going to bother spending 14 minutes Kwikpanik trying to open this correctly. Get that out of here. Yugi, what do you hide here? We got another Cloud Boy. Petite Dragon, I think? Hands. What? We got a super rare Dark Hole! And a rare. Okay, so you're guaranteed a rare. Wow, that's kind of cool. Honestly, what the heck? I'll pay $8 to get this graded. I don't even care. Huh. Wait, we didn't get a rare in the last pack. What is the... How do these work? Okay. Snap this open. Before we get into this pack, I need to see from you guys what you want to see as far as Yu-Gi-Oh! Pack openings go. Do you want to see some old stuff? I can pick up some old vintage packs. New packs are fun at the beginning, but then it's like, okay, I get it. You've opened 900 packs. So let me know in the comments section what you'd like to see as far as... Oh, Silver Fang! Dude, this plus Raigeki. Hold on. So I want you guys to let me know what kind of content you're looking to see in the future. Because it'd be really cool to do some Yu-Gi-Oh! Openings, at least intermittently. So look at this pro play combo. If you understand this meme, you and I are friends. If you don't, I need you to look up Silver Fang Raigeki. You'll love it. So let's get into this. We got Silver Fang. Okay, don't focus on him. I love Silver Fang, for the record. We got Petite Angel. We got Hitatsumi Giant? I don't know. Before we go on to the rare, I'd really appreciate it if you leave a like on this video if you enjoy some Yu-Gi-Oh! Content. Subscribe to the channel if you've not already. Most of the time I open up Pokemon and Funko Pop stuff, but I really miss Yu-Gi-Oh! So I kind of want to do a little bit of it at least. So let me know. Subscribe to the channel if you've not already. I'm bringing videos on Tuesdays and Thursdays at 4 p.m. Central Time and Sundays at 12 p.m. And I stream on Twitch. You know, I have a schedule. But I want to stream some Yu-Gi-Oh! So if you like that, I'll be over there with Duel Links or... what's the new game? You're somewhere over here, right? Legacy the Duelist. Oh. Okay, that's what I meant. Okay, so we got two... Look at this. This is pretty cool, okay? We got Gaia, the Fierce Knight, Dark Hole, and this awesome promo. This is a really cool opening. That's all I've got for today. I hope you guys have an awesome day. Later.